Okay, I'm going to kill the Discord.
Hey?
I got to kill the Discord.
Okay, and yeah, so I'll probably have an issue with speaking, but anyway. So.
What about your phone?
Oh, yeah, I'll do it on my phone. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep. All right, here we go. Another day, another dollar. Hold on 1 second. There we go.
You can hear me?
Yep, loud and clear. Loud and clear. Okay, move to new window. Okay, what do we got this morning? I think news is out. Everything's done, right?
Oh, hold on a second. Yep. No more.
25th. So tomorrow, yep, FOMC, you got Kugler. I don't know him. Speaks. I don't know if he's bull, bear, or what. We got a lot of info tomorrow. Huh?
You got PCE, 8:30.
Wait, tomorrow?
Jobless claims, PCE.
Yes.
Oh.
Man, you got a lot going on tomorrow.
Yeah, a lot of speakers.
Yeah.
Powell.
Yeah. Collins, Kugler, Bowman, Williams. 8:30, durable goods, core. All right, here we are. Continue to go up. We're in the middle of the bear zone. Oh. Wow. A lot of green down below. This was the half-hour mark. Kind of like 30-minute IB. Yeah. Could have played that. That was a nice little place to go long. 30 full.
Yep.
All these little things. I'm sure the 15-minute. We're in the 2. So let me switch over to the 15. Oops. Right there. Yeah, the 15, not so interested in. Little bigger picture. Upside targets. 329, 329.25. Bears last stand. Got a bullish move going back to here. Actually, probably farther back than that. Look at that. Why would you be short?
Yeah, there's no reason to be short now.
Yeah. Nope. All right. So we're in the bear zone, so it could be choppy, sloppy in here. I always like to see the move going something like this. That's what I like to see. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but a lot of times it happens. All right, so let's go over to the 5-minute chart. Oops. What happened to my 5 minute? Oh, wrong chart. I wish I could line these up down here so I could see them better. All right, so 5 minute chart, just moving up and up. I had some longs going. Qualified one PA. Got 900 and another one. I'm up 900 and then I'm down 680 on another, which I'm hoping to rectify that pretty soon. We're above the midnight opening trade here, right around 128. Again, if you start marking this on your chart every day, you could almost play this. I mean, you could have went long here, you would have got stopped out. Could have went short here, you know, 128, 108, there's 20 points. So you could have maybe got 10 points if you would have just, you know, followed down. I don't know. Maybe you could have got 2 or 3 points, who knows. You could just follow the previous 5 minute candle, right? So as you took this short here, you know, you could have got in at 123, maybe put a stop in at 118, 119, so you would have got 4 or 5 points, something like that. I don't know, but anyway, break up. You know, you'll lose a little bit, but in the long run, you know, you end up catching a move. You know, you end up going long maybe right here at 130, and then you catch this big move. That's what you're after. There's ways to play. Hey, does TraderVate have posty pivots? I never checked.
Yes, but they're not drawn the same way. Like, so you'll just have lines, but you won't have like the bull and the bear zone.
Oh.
You'll just have the pivots, you know, like. So it's not. It's.
Oh, I have it.
I mean, if you compare it to your chart, you'll see that it's good, but it's not. It's not perfect, you know.
Yep. All right, so we got a little move down here. I'm not interested in that move down yet. I'm getting close. Got to watch for potential sell signal here. Yeah. Who's that by? Posty pivots. I've got it installed. I just don't know where it's at. Okay, but don't look at it. Don't look for it. I'll find it.
Yeah.
So one of us needs to keep an eye on that sell signal too. Tiki. Wow, maybe I don't have it. All right. Anyway, we'll keep an eye out. There's a 2 minute. Let's go to the 2 minute here. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't need that. I don't need that. Let's put in maybe something like that for right now, just to put it out there. Keep an eye on the 5 minute chart. So the 5 minute, we broke the previous wick. You know what I don't have is a 15 minute where I can see it. There we go. All right, so 15 minutes short would be around 224. So if we get below 224, you know, I would look for that short. How much time I got left? I got 5 minutes left on the 15, so right now it's kind of giving you a potential reversal candle. The 5 minute short now is going to be below 41.50. Prior to that it was 53.75. I'm still waiting for a little signal to occur on another software. Kind of hard to take because we're fairly bullish. We're up 85. NVIDIA is up 330. All right, Tesla's still holding.
Oh wait, you know what? They don't have. Wait, posted.
I'm gonna switch to a 5 minute here. For support, we're looking at about 223. So right here on this wick. Yep. There's your short. Missed that. Damn it. Drawn. Missed that, darn it. All right, 42. Just got triggered there. What number is that? There we go. Okay, you're gonna have to see him move down. I'm gonna get taken out here. Okay, you got 1 minute in the 5. Oh, they took me out, you sucker fishes. I'm gonna jump back in. All right, if I go to a 2 minute, and I just got to watch for a move above this trend line here. Probably like this one better. There we go. Okay, so 28, that's fine. I like 28. Oh no, should be able to get 23. There we go. I'm also working a Trade-Evade account, same time. All right, I'm up a little bit there. I'll go to least break even. Break even. Okay. Oh, thank you. My little alarm. Come on, baby. There you go. There we go. There's a decent little trade, eh? Did you get any of that?
Yeah, I got, yep. Just chipping away.
All right. I had to get my get some sound effects going, you know? Get a little juice flowing.
I hear you. Oh, wick. Got the 1 minute down there at 203.
Yep. All right. Let's see. What are we going to do now? Here, I probably ought to put this down here. There we go. All right. So, got your little potential reversal here. We came down to previous night's, yesterday's high. I take 215. Broke up. I think I'll wait for a move back above this little trend line here. Yeah. Just to make sure we get up there. All right, so I just got a sell signal. I'm going to throw one on for a sell. Just one. Move my stop up, move my target down. Let's see how this one favors. I'll probably move him up to about 50. 20-point stop. Got a 5-minute gap up here at 41.50. I don't know if I'm all the way enthralled about taking a short. A bigger short, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, I hear you. But into a gap here, potentially could get a rejection, but
yeah,
don't love it.
If we bust over this trend line, I'll get out. I think that's the safe play. I'm doing the same little trend line on the 1 minute, on a 1 minute chart. Let's see, 1 minute. Can I show 1 minute? I don't know. Yep, display 1 minute. So there. Here's my little trend line. I don't know why it says all 1 minute. There you go. That's my little 1 minute trend line. And if we pop above there, then I might just take the hit. All right, so my potentially filling the 5-minute gap here at 41.75. We have a 1 minute gap up to 45.50. Right around 46. So I'm giving it 4 points above that to try to stay safe. We'll see what happens. I don't know if it's a good play or not. I mean, because basically we're going up. So
yeah, we stood inside of that gap.
yeah.
The jack now.
So we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see. So here's fill that gap at 45. Okay. We filled the 5 minute gap. Not really thrilled with that 5 minute candle, I can tell you that.
It's got to fail here.
Yeah. I mean, really, I could probably put my stop down at 44. But I'm going to leave him where he's at.
Yeah.
I'm playing a bigger signal, sell signal, so can I get jerked out of this? Yeah, I could. Because it could go up to 266. 20,266. So if I'm scalping, let me see a 15-minute chart here. All right, so if I'm scalping, I got to get back below 226. So if I get back below to 225, I would go short. But right now, it's not looking so hot. So I'll add one if we come down below, what did I say, 225? Yeah. I'll add one right here. All right, we filled the 5 minute. We haven't filled that 1 minute. And we might have got close enough right there. 44.25 versus, you know, right at 45.50. There we go. Because realistically, I'm looking for a move back up above 270. Right? Something above here.
Yeah. Still inside this gap, man.
Yep. Yep. Here's our 5 minute move up. You sucker fish. Somebody else's. All right, got close. Let's see. 224. All right, nothing to do now but wait. we could see a move down to here, and then a move back up. So that's what I got to be worried about. If I'm worried, which I'm not really worried. Okay. I mean, because right now you got to look at this too. Oh, there you go. I think that's going to be our answer. All right, it's still holding. Which time? I got 4 minutes left on a 15-minute. And the new 5-minute. A move back above 50, 25. And say la vie, then we should be off to the races, to the upside. Kind of precarious. And a move back below 229, even though I got 224 below on the 15-minute, but on the 5-minute, you can, once you get below 229, it could be a short. That would have to be a very, you'd have to keep an eye on that one. In other words, maybe tight stop. A little riskier. It's right where I'm at. All right. Oops. There we go. All right, so that's why you'd have to be, forgot I set when my trade debate trade. Oh, that was lucky. I put in a buy at 229 on trade evade and just took it off. Okay, come on, get below 224. There you go. Coming down to the 1 minute weighted moving average. Oh, you sucker. Starting new. Still got the sell signal going. Michael, you short? You nothing. Okay. Okay, let's move this guy down. Okay, we should be able to get down to 208. 208 is the bottom of a 5-minute gap. So something like that. We already came down halfway, or a little more. Let's see if we can come all the way down, fill that gap out. Which time left? 3 minutes to go. So we're just playing some games. All right, about a 7-second lag time. We have up, up, up. Everything's pointed up. I think for right now, short is the way to play it. So I'm going to stay short. 5-minute chart showing. I'll just open it up a little bit, make it easier to see. Looking for 208. I'll come down to break even at that point. 208, that'll give me 22 points. Come on, let's go. All right, 1 minute weighted moving average. Got a little bounce there. I'll put that moving average on here in a second. Let's go ahead and just lock in 5 points or so. And not yet. Come on, 208. Why 208? Well, because we already came down a little bit right here. So you see that guy? See this right there? This wick? So we already came down more than 3/4. So my feeling always is if we go back to retest it, we need to slice through it, or at least slice to the end. That'll fill in, you know, if there's people waiting to buy, it'll take care of everybody. Oops, I gotta move this guy. There we go. All right, right now we're holding up on the 1 minute weighted moving average. There we go. So there's a slice through. I went ahead and I'll lock in whatever. If I get taken out, okay, big deal. Why didn't you go away? There you go. All right. Okay, so there was the play. Now it's short, you know, below here. Might not be a bad play. I'm going to add in this WMA. There you go. So there's the 1 minute weighted moving average on the 5 minute chart. All my charts look the same now. They have that guy there. Here's VWAP down here at 180. We could take this. This is, I know this is on the, from the 1 minute, and maybe even do something like that. Let's just get rid of this. This is the 30 minute. There we go. Okay, so long would be above 237. That's this candle here. I don't know what that is. Let's get rid of that. So now I got it kind of surrounded. The only problem with taking this long here is, you know, whatever, hopefully if you don't get a big boner candle come up, you got to watch. You got to watch for a retracement back down to kiss this guy goodbye, right? To finish him out. It's the only bad part about taking this trade, because you're going to get a move up, but then you're going to get something like this, and then this guy could just keep on coming down. So I got another indicator going in TradingView that gives me a sell signal right now. It's a custom indicator I built, and it won't go long until we get above 256 or something, when we close a 5 minute candle above that. Let's check out the 15 minute. All right, 15 minutes, still have 7 minutes left. We're still holding above the 1 minute weighted moving average. And if you don't have this on your chart, I mean, you can look at it and you can see how price action works around it, especially like during the day, right? During market hours. Look how we followed it down. We blew through it. Yeah, anyway. All right, so now I'm just watching and waiting. We got VWAP below at 181. The weighted moving average at 219. And basically it's, if you want to put that on your chart, on a 5 minute it's 25, on the 1 minute it's 125. 2 minute will be 62, 61, somewhere in there. You can just do the math. All right, we're still, 2 minutes went to a down, but our 3, 5, 15, and 60 is all in the up. Obviously, we're still in a bullish pattern up. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of just some of this noise. And if I put my fibs on real quick and go from the morning open, from this wick here, go to the top, you can see we came down to the 50%. So on that 50%, what I look for then is potentially is a move up. Right? So I'll look for this move to go move up. And the reason being, is we could bounce off the 23, 38, 50, 61, 78, right? So you got to always be prepared for that bounce up. If we violate it or move down and close below the 50, then I'm looking to go to the 61.8, but we haven't closed a 5-minute below the 50%. So such reason, then I'm thinking, okay, right now we could bounce. We could just bounce up. So hence why I put a buy stop up here in case we do move up, then I'll catch the move up. Potentially. If I don't get taken out by a 10-point stop, so 38 down to 28, that's going to put me right in here, which is prime area to come back and retest this trend line. You know, I could say, okay, let me just do wicks, right? And then 28 is still going to be right there, that wick. So okay, I don't know what that last win was. I don't remember. Let me see if I can find it. That'll be the log. Yeah, I ain't gonna find that. One of the bad things about NinjaTrader that I don't like. It's hard to find when you enter it in or exit. You can find it in the log, but man, there's just so much stuff in there. I probably just don't have it set up right for the log for me to read it correctly. Can I change it? Yeah, I can change it. All right, so now we're just waiting. Sitting on my hands. I don't want any action in between here. All right, got 2 minutes still on the 15-minute candle. Right now we're adhering to the downtrend line, so not much to do. I think we're at 229. Yep, 229 down to about 208. So I think we're about 212. So probably around 15, 16 points.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. So yeah. Man, we just stuck here.
Yep, we got stuck here. Stuck. 30 seconds on this 5-minute. Might even be an inside candle, which would be crazy because it's almost inside that wick. We're going to push up though, I think. So for me, watching the Fibonacci's retracement, when we close this candle below the 38.2, I don't like to see a move back above the 38.2. But since it did move and closed above the 38.2, for me, it invalidates more downside. Okay, so what I'm thinking then is that, okay, potentially there's an upside move coming. Now it's not 100% of the time, but that's the feeling it gives to me, is watch for the move to the upside. All right, I'm up 465 on a Trade Evade account on a Take Profit Trader. I have not traded my Pro account yet. I'm still playing around with my valuation. Yeah, I mean, really, you could bring these guys down. I could bring these down, bring this one up. I just don't like this price action.
Yeah, it's just standstill here.
That's abysmal. Abysmal. There we go. Oh. My Tesla short's still okay. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad.
What's that? Short?
Yeah.
It's tough when you got this 1 minute pointing stuff up like this.
Yeah.
It's not an easy. It's even if we go below it, you almost get like a rubber band effect there.
Yeah.
Like so. Man. Everything just fucking dries up.
Well, it's because we're up high, right? I mean, we're up another 62 points today. You know,
Yeah.
The market is just, it's just inching upward.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. See if I get ticked here. All right, still got a minute left on this. Still not convinced of this long yet. I don't mind getting taken out for 10 points. I mean, I don't like it, but it is what it is. So would I take it again? That's the question. I think I would. There you go, just like that. Where do I want to go? I want to go to right there. Might get taken out again, you sucker fish. I generally, fuck you. I generally, I have no problem in honoring the 10-point stop, so.
You played like you played between the 38 and the 23.6. It's
yeah.
It's garbage.
It's garbage. But I mean, it's done for the move down. It's done everything I look for, right?
Yeah.
I've got my. If I go from the top here and go to this low here, what did we do? We came up to the 61.8 and then came down. That's the move I love to see. I wasn't watching it, but that's the move I love to see. And that's my move right there. I like to play it right here. Go take short from 238, somewhere in there, 240. I mean, it's done everything that I asked. Now, normally I would say, hey, I'm going to be at 218. That's my short. Because if we drop back below the 38.2, my thinking is that we're going to come down Since we've already hit the 50, we should come down to the 61.8. But we've crossed this trend line and we're trying to make the move up, right?
Yeah.
So all that indicates that we're going to go up. We're up 60 points. I mean, we've been bullish all morning. Up here on the, what do you call this? The cumulative delta. You know, you could put a line like that. Say, well, I'll only go long if we cross above that. My software still puts out a sell signal. Oops. And maybe I get tagged here. It's just not much action going. It's almost like we're in lunchtime or something already.
Yeah. Everything's moved up.
Damn it.
Lunchtime is breakfast.
Yeah, again, we're just inching up. I mean, ES is, where's ES at? 57.91. Remember, my original target was 57.72. Way back when.
Yeah.
So we've already hit that. And now we're just trying to decide how much higher we're going to go, I guess. Two 15-minute dojis on the NQ. I mean, we're just not doing much.
Just buy the 38.2 and sell it at the 23.6.
Say that again?
Just buy the 38.2.
Yeah.
The fib.
Yep.
Sell it at the 23.6.
How many times has that worked? Once? Twice? 3 times? 4 times?
I mean, it's not going to work forever, but it's...
No.
One of these will bust out and out, but...
Yep.
Like there.
See if we get that high. Come on, baby, you can do it. Well, it's what we did. We came up. I even talked about it. We came up, and then could I withstand on the longs that pullback? And I could not. Neither time. Now maybe that we broke out above this prior 15-minute candle, which is a continuation candle. Maybe I can hold on to this one, and we can make our move up. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that fib there. I don't know. Maybe it's not. They're not going to let me hold on to it. All right, we had a 1 minute open or 1 minute gap fill at 233. which we just hit. There you go. Come on now, make a move up. All right, software just went long. It's a good sign. Nope, gonna get taken. Gosh damn it. Might have to move my stop out of the way because I really don't want to take it down there.
And we just came back down to the 23 to the 38 too. It's seriously just like running the algo back and forth until it stops.
Yeah. Well, let me get rid of that. I'll leave that there. Basically, we're going to have to drop down below here. On my trade of 8, I'm looking for a long. Now that we kind of punched down there, I'm going to see if I can grab one at 24, 25. I need a zipper back up though. I only got 2 minutes. So we're either going to punch down low or we're going to move back up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just took the long. Not giving it much room. It's going to take me out. Nope, not yet. I need like 10 points, buddy. Come on. Nope, I'm out.
Yep, there's your break.
Huh?
Yeah, it's just,
Yep.
It's tough, man.
Yep, no trades for me.
There's no real direction.
Not yet. All right, so let's put the fibs back on and let's see where we're at.
Still at the 38 too.
Yeah, I mean, ideally, I should be, I mean, if I'm playing this correctly, right here. There you go. All right, so we closed below the 38 too, so some logic tells me that I would probably like to see that move. down to 193. Yeah, that's good. All right. Let that play out and see how it works out. Come on down. Give me 21 again. Nope. Damn you. Okay.
Back to the 50.
Here we go. '50's at 08. Oh, you sucker fish. A little too tight. See if they play by the rules and keep it below the 38.2. Nope.
Oh, la, la, la.
See how much time left. 133.
Oh, man.
Yep. Brutal.
Brutal.
Okay. So we got a minute 5 left on this 5 minute. Came up and retested the 1 minute weighted moving average. I'm looking to take a short at 219 if we come back down on my trade of 8. I don't know if I like it. Actually, I might cancel that. Yep. All right. So the 1 minute's still moving up. That
Look
was
at
just,
that.
yep.
Wow.
Isn't that great? All right, my software went to a buy signal, so there's potential that was just a buy. Although I don't like that, whatever. Let's see what the 2 minute looks like. Oops. happened there? That guy just disappeared. So that might be something like that.
Look at those two candles, man.
Which one?
Like the 3. Look at like 3 minute NQ.
Yeah, I don't have the. Yep.
Like just,
I only have the 1, 2, 5. The 1, 2, 5, and 15.
Yeah, it's just enough to kill you, no matter which direction you go. How to get out of this.
This little range.
Yeah.
I mean, typically what I would do is say, the only problem is I don't like these two candles, right? But as we move down, I would go from this guy to this guy and move a box across. And then say, okay, let's just, I'll wait for a move above. See, but if you would have taken this one, you got to close above, you would have been obviously stopped right out. But that's the game, right? That's the game.
The game. Stop us out. Yeah, those candles. So we've made like low, 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 low. What's the next one? We come down to the 61.8.
Yeah, impossibility. So why don't I do this? I'll go here to here.
Nice hardcore bounce there.
And then I'll put a line here. And then one right here. Yeah, it's not really straight, but that's okay. I'll turn him red real quick. That's good enough. And then let's get rid of that. So we're gonna have to come back down here below VWAP, below the 1 or 2 minute opening range to hit the 78.6. So I don't know if I see that happening. So we were within the 10-20 turning point in the market, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Nutty went long at 232, and he's holding 4 long.
You.
232. So somewhere up in here. Yeah, it's just ugly today. Nice move up. You had to have caught the morning miss. I don't know how I missed this, though. This is what bothers me, Michael. That moved down.
Wow.
Right at the 78.6, it held. Here, watch this. That we didn't quite get to the 100%. Well, let me bring it down just a hair. Pretty close.
Just bounced at that 50% fib again.
Yeah. Also the bottom of the box.
Yeah.
I bring up Nutty's name, and our one person was just left. He's gonna go watch Nutty. He's trading.
Yeah, he's taking a bit of heat there today. Jeez.
Yeah, he's down 1,200, 1,300.
Yeah, and then he's down like 750 in about eight accounts.
Yeah.
Each.
Yeah.
Not a great day.
Nope. What time is it? Oh, 8:30. All right. All right. So software changed to a sell rating. Yeah. It's a little wobbly today. So one buy.
So just, it's not a sell or buy. They should just call it like a belt. Because either way.
Yeah. Had one buy, one sell, and then another buy and another sell. I mean, a decent sell. The second one.
Oh, Nadia, I feel you pain, my friend.
Yeah.
He's trading it's an eval account.
Yeah, it's an eval. Yep. All right, so 207 is the 50%. Oops. I moved it a little bit. 207, 50 roughly right in there. Yeah, it's just ugly, man. I mean, there's not much else to say about it.
Yeah, I've got a little bit of, I'm just waiting there for a trade all in, you know. Now I've got to get, before I needed 7 points, now I need like 10 points. Oh, God. Help.
All right. Problem is this movement is not very good.
No,
But watch 205.
Yeah, I was always thinking of 205 for a long, but I don't know. I think it's like the next stop could be the 61.8, which is down, you know. Just not sure. I'm not taking it long, just waiting.
Okay. Yeah, because actually 201.50 would be a better short.
Yeah, below that pivot.
Yeah.
I mean, below that previous candle.
Yep.
Yeah.
I just took a short.
The shorts for me, I can just wreck them, man. Maybe now the long will be at 188.
Yeah. Get down to VWAP. That'd be cool. Come on, baby. There we go. Trying to pick up 100. Just picked up 100. I'll take one of these off. There we go. Let's go. Problem is you can, you got a backfill up here to 211. So that gap fill, you got to watch out for that. Because this guy can move all the way up to there.
Yep. Damn it. big storm coming down in the south there.
Yeah. I think, yeah, potential big hurricane, right?
Yeah, looks like it's going to make landfall in Florida on Thursday. So
Wow.
we get a lot of rain the next like week.
Yeah. Fucker better not come up and get me.
Look at this fucking thing. I was 188 and it bounced at 193.
Yep. All right, so we got to watch. We do have. Actually, disregard that. Let me go to a 3-minute chart real quick. All right. So 8:18, 3-minute. We're in the down mode. Yep, 8:18. All right. We got a cross of the 8:18 right around 2:29, right around the 11:14 minute, 11:15, so 11:12, 3-minute candle. Okay, so here's our gap fill. Don't want to see it go above 14. There we go. 3 or 4 points, plus or minus, right? On a gap fill, I always think 3 to 4 points. So if you got it at 210, I'm thinking 214. We went up to 1350. All right, let's switch over to a 5-minute. I don't know what it is, but something's changed. I mean, 5 minutes to me are just so comfortable. All right, I want to get rid of it. Look at that. We came down right to the 61.8.
Yeah. We've just got a channel coming down now, you know?
Yeah.
Lower lows, lower highs.
You could do something like that. All right, so yeah, that's just too crowded for me. All right, so let me go back here. Let me put some lines on this one here and say, here's the 61.8.
Nvidia just.
What's it doing?
Coming down.
Good. All right, so there's the 78.6, but what you have to watch out for is this new guy, the new sheriff in town.
Where's your 78.6?
171.
Okay, did you start your fib from that?
Yeah, from that wick.
144.
Yep. Okay, so I always like to put this guy red, just because that's my. That way I know it's my 61.8. I'll either do that or I put the 50% of gold. It used to be the golden number, 50%, but now it's just kind of a afterthought.
He's long, second that, he's long 12 now.
Oh, he's DCAing.
Yeah, DCA that account. He's making a comeback.
Oh yeah, he's going to, because this guy's moving up. So we hit the 61.8. Well, we got pretty close to it, and we didn't quite hit it, which means we could come back down to it. Probably gonna take me out. Damn you.
Well, he's DCAing in a $150,000 account. It's a little easier because of the.
Oh, yep. Yeah, he's green now.
Yeah.
He added again. Oh no, he's got 10.
2.
Huh?
Yeah, he just sold 2.
Oh, he sold 2. Okay. All right. Well, I don't like this move. I do not like that at all. I'm going to have to get out.
Where did you short?
Oh, 150.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Gosh, damn it. All right, where am I standing? I passed one this morning. I'm up 900 on another one and minus 1,300 on this one that I keep fucking failing on. You know, I'll tell you what. The other two accounts went green, first trades I put on, and this one went red. And I have had no luck since. So I don't know if it's in my mind now.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably, yeah.
I don't know. I'm going to have to frickin' go degen on it and maybe go 10 strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna as well. I'm just waiting for a second to. So, look at that.
Okay, so if you look on the... so here's a little change of character, right?
Yeah.
If you look on this guy, look at this guy. See? Oops. Come on. Got right there. So you got a little change of character right there. So this is where you should be thinking long. I don't know if that's the trade I want to think long. I didn't really mean to hit that button. Fuck.
Look at this thing.
Well, I know, but I didn't really want to take that trade yet. I'm going to take... Huh?
I mean, I said to you the 60, you know, we kept bouncing fifth to fifth.
Yeah.
Look at that bouncing to 61. I had my fifth drawn wrong, so I haven't drawn on the low.
Yeah.
So that's why it missed me by 4 points.
Ah. There you go.
Oh, God. I don't know if I've drawn wrong, but I was just not drawn that the way that.
Yep.
Unless the fibs draws in. Just drawn a different way, I guess. Oh, man.
All right, I'm take one off just to relieve a little bit of any anxiety that I might have.
Wow.
We're getting our little boner candle. And look at old Nutty.
Just he put a.
He's up 3,100.
Yep. Oh, completely extra up.
Oh, he's only got 4 left.
Yeah, he's been setting them. Yeah.
Yeah. And he's still barely green. I mean, he's going to be green 2,400 right now, so looks like he's still negative 400. Wow, he must have been really negative on that account. All right, let's see what happens here. We got stopped at the 23.6. Little sucker fishes.
Yeah, now, yeah, look at this, man. He's playing the fibs.
Yeah. All right, so 32. I should be at 22. So let me go on down. Problem is, my 5-minute is down way down here at 14, so we could come down. But after a nice big candle like that, you got to think, yeah, maybe we're going to continue up with the up move. Yeah.
Just came back and look at that. He just came back and went under 1 minute.
Yeah.
You gotta be quick.
Yep. Hmm. Come on, let's go. Ah.
Are you short or long?
Just went long. Come on, give me 10. Okay, so that's 13. Hey, fucker.
I can't do I'm like,
What
I'm
the
like
fuck?
giving up.
Jeez.
There's going to be a YOLO coming up. A YOLO for the ages.
Come on, zip back up. Nope. There you go. Come on, make a move up. Well, back to sitting on my hands again. We're still in that box. Look at that. Remember that box I drew?
Yep.
Still
Yeah, we're still
in the box.
Yeah,
So we had one fake above, one fake below, and now we're back to waiting. Basically about a 32-point box. what we're living in. Our little change of character kind of failed. I was pretty convinced we were going up.
Did he get out of his trade?
No, he added. He added 2 more. He was down to 4. He's up to 6 now. Every time we go down, he just adds it. So he's pretty confident we're going up.
Yeah.
All the excitement's over there today. All right, we getting ready? Oh, 4 people. Oh, 4, not 4. I was going to take 4 contracts short. What is that? Huh. Come on.
Hello. Right, gave back his P&L, man. Jeez.
Yep.
That's
Oh,
not good.
he's probably thinking that VWAP is going to save him at 189. Right?
Yeah, I don't know, man. Nothing's gonna save you.
Come on, baby, drop on down. One time, let's give it down to the 70.2 fans out there.
Where'd you short it, though?
What? Right at 204.
Oh, God.
Hey, this account, either it's going to make money or it's going to be dropped.
Yeah, I'm about to gonna be doing the same thing.
I mean, I'm down 1,500 on it. It's like,
Yeah, so it's correct.
it looks like I'm going to get taken out here. Maybe, maybe not. I was really hoping we were going to stay below that 50%. Right here. 208. Let's close below that. Nope. 1 second. Not going to make it. Damn you.
Where do you have? Where's your stop?
214. 10 points standard. All I need's, if we came to VWAP, I'd probably take it off there at VWAP, at least the first one. In fact, I'll just put it right there, just in case we wick it or something. I'll take 190, 14 points.
Yeah, it's the top of the opening range in 5 minutes.
What is? What number is that?
Yeah, 195-ish.
Oh. Okay, we already hit it once before.
Yeah. a good bounce
Yeah.
there earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, we needed it to break. Like right there, I needed it to break 198.75. Come on, baby, you can do it. Give me 15.
It's not easy to get a 15. It's not easy to get like a 15-point flush in the direction that you want, you know? Or in the opposite direction. Okay. Look at this. Maybe you got some in here. Oh. You get it. Come on.
There we go.
Yep. There you go.
Almost got that 70.2.
Congratulations. Best trade of the day, right?
A 15-pointer.
Nvidia's coming down. Coming down, coming down.
Well, I wish Tesla would. Yeah, Tesla did. Or it yep. Ooh, I love
AMD
NVIDIA.
going up, Nvidia coming down.
Yep, I love that. NVIDIA looking good.
Yeah, that'll help you.
All right. So where am I at? I'm going to put this guy down here to the midnight open. I love to see mid-morning, mid-afternoon. What do you call this? I don't know what time is it. 12 o'clock lunchtime. Move down to the midnight open and bounce off that. That'd be fantastic. I don't know if we'll get there, but let me get rid of. Let's get rid of that. Probably going to get taken out up here. So we're going to bounce. We bounced off the 70.2. Probably should have moved my stop right above VWAP.
The next one will be down at 171.
Well, that's where we'd like to go, but you know, here in the probably the last 5, 6 months, 7 months, we started hitting this 70.2 for whatever reason. I don't know why. And then bouncing, so. I mean, really, I want to stay above 200. All right, software's got a sell signal, so that's good. A lot of good things happening here. I guess I could add. Just hit below VWAP. Coming back down to 70.2 again.
Why did you do that?
I don't know, he had it going on.
Yeah, he was up like it's like a $6,000 or $7,000 swing there.
Yeah. All right, so we got 198 as a 5-minute gap fill. So right here, right there.
Yep.
You know, hopefully we can get long in the tooth on this trade, and I can start trading, you know, the previous 5-minute wick. So as this one comes down, hopefully we get a nice red candle down here, and I can move my stop down here. Okay, we're going into a 5-minute gap fill. There we go, 5-minute gap fill's done. I took a short, 95. Got to stay below 200, otherwise I'm out. Fucker.
Just incredible, just making low lows and fucking down.
It's what?
Huh?
What was that?
Just lower, like as we make lower lows, right?
Yeah.
You just get these vicious bounces like this.
Yeah.
It's like, if your timing's just a little off, you are screwed. Oh, now he's positive. Look at this guy. Oh my god.
Who's that?
No, maybe. Now he's up. Now he's up. He was up $2 grand. He just sold.
Oh.
He just sold a couple.
Oh.
He's all over the place. DCA. DCA. Now I wouldn't be surprised if you don't take out those previous lows, 78. Just keep going down.
So 50% of that wick this morning was about at 160. You know which wick I'm talking about?
I do.
Yep.
Yep.
That's where I'd like to see us go. Come on, baby, you can do it.
I guess I was in the wrong. I had to fast forward. I think he blew up that one.
Yeah, I was wondering when you were talking because I didn't see any play at all.
Yeah, no, I think
And-
it's because I had to fast forward. I was
Ah,
for some reason. I don't know.
Gotcha.
Anyway, it looked like he was doing great, but I was about 15 minutes behind.
ah. Come on, Nutty, you can get back. He's resigning. I don't know what he's down. I can't see. It's too fuzzy.
He's down on the day.
Yeah.
He's down about 9,500. And of that, about 7,000 is PX.
Come on, drop that. Come on, give me 160. Is that what I said? Oh. I gotta go for a second.
Okay.
Bad timing. Yeah, 160. Come on in. Oh, here, sorry about that. I took another short at 182. It's not where I wanted it. I wanted it to be up here, right here at VWAP. Would be perfect. 188, 187. But it is what it is. I already took the trade. I'm in it. I'm looking for 161. I'll probably go to 162 if I can get it.
Look how amazing this is. Look, I mean, look, every time we've come down,
Yep.
we bounced on the first foot, came down to the next one, came
Yep.
down to the next one. Now we just bounced to 78.6.
Yep.
I mean, it's like,
Damn it, I probably wouldn't have took that trade if I would have looked up and saw that we just hit the 78.6. All right, I'm holding then. Let me see what happens. I got a minute left. I'll be right back. Got a cleaning person came in, so
cleaning.
yep. Okay. Big old wick. Oh, 78.6. Looks like it was the number.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why.
What?
Jump then.
I'll jump above 198 and take a long. Right here. Right there. I really would have liked to have come down to 160. That would have been a better number, but it happens. All right. So we hit what we hit right there. I thought we were getting a little change of character here to go up. We'll see what happens now. I'll take one off because I don't like two right here. Let's see if I can get it out for a little bit. Still a chance we can come down. So actually, I'll try to get something out of it. How about right there? How about right at the bottom of that box? Let's see if we can retest it at 04. Huh, ironically, that's where I went short. Right? 204 right here.
Yeah.
We're going to maybe come down and check VWAP out again. Come on, baby. Let's get back above 198, huh? Oh, there we go. Don't like that one. Oh boy, that's there. It should be there. Sucker. Here we go. No, don't take me. All right. Well, so much for that. See what happens here. Uh-oh. Did homeboy give up?
Yeah, he's done.
Come on.
Homeboy is gonzo.
All right, so we've got a 1 minute weighted moving average heading down.
Yep.
We had our Fibonacci from this morning. We came down. You know, they do it so that you can play it anyway. So if I were to put my fib down here, let me see, hold on. Oh, no, we didn't quite get it, did we? All right. This is the correct spot to put your fib right here on this wick. And we came down and hit it and bounced vigorously up. How many points? From 71 up to 93, so 20 something points. So let's see what happens now with price action. Do we head up? Finally break out? This was the box we were in for a long time. I'm going to get rid of that. Again, my target down here was 160, so I'm a little disappointed we didn't hit that. I had a long here. I think it's still the right play. I might go back in with one. Let's see. Yep. Damn it. Too late. A little too late. That was the right play. Well, let's see if we can get a move up. 7 seconds left. I'd like the green to close above 199. That would be the better scenario, but it's not going to do it. It could go down to VWAP again and take me out. Come on. Exactly. Five-minute chart. Let's look at the 2-minute chart. You know, I still like something like that would probably be the right play. You could just follow this down. Can you get taken out? Yep. All right. I'm gonna sit on my hands again. I still think that's the right play. But we'll wait and see what happens. 15-minute chart. Let me reload it. Get the timer working. That's actually the trend we ought to be watching right there. Put that on all the charts. And then let's go back to a 5-minute. Not much to do. There's not much going on. Not much action right now.
Yeah. brutal.
It is brutal.
It's been a tough few days.
Yep. Yep, it has been a couple tough days. All right, so we came down to the 78.6. Now potentially we could make a move up. I could do something like this. I'm just not willing to put on like a 40-point stop. But let's see if we can get above 200. We tried there, 202. I mean, I guess I could try to get one down here again. You can see we've been holding this 61.8 here. We haven't closed below it.
Yeah.
Okay, get rid of that. I mean, we just got nothing.
What a clown.
All right, my last signal I got to buy. It's just been nasty. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I mean, just not even worth looking at it. Nvidia's just kind of went flat right under VWAP.
Yeah. It's in its bull zone. It's kind of came down to its its bear zone. It's bouncing.
Gotcha.
Doing nothing.
Yeah.
Garbage.
All right, so there's a move back above 200. Can it hold it? That's the question. I always like to play the 200. I'm in the hundreds. I'll play the 200. Watch me probably get taken out. I mean, realistically, where should I be down here? I always like to play the whole numbers. 100, 200, 300. Usually my stop is 90. Because 93 is kind of a magnet. See if we can get above this trend line, 15-minute trend line, and also the 1-minute weighted moving average. Yeah.
Just came up to the 1 minute. Yeah.
Yep. You got to get across that baby. Get across this trend line and the 1-minute weighted. The 5-minute we've got 214 doesn't bother me. 215 I should say. That's yesterday's high. See if we can hold 200. Okay. I'll add if we get above here. No, I don't want to add 3. Okay. Come on, let's go. Make a move up. Bust across that trend line. Probably want to be maybe just a tad higher. See if we can get above the 1 minute weighted right here, the white guy. The green one here is VWAP. Come on. Okay, so the next move I'm thinking is, you come down to the 78.6, you bounce up, you come down around the same number before you go up. So depending on how high we go up, I'll be looking for a move back down. I would like to get up somewhere in here would be the best. 233. Actually, I would probably take 222. Yeah, I would take that. So we're starting to get a little movement on the delta to the upside. That's what I like to see. We're still positive about 40. Little change of character right here. Now I just need it to cooperate a little bit, move to the upside. 08 to 22, 14 points, I'll take that if we can get it. Potential to move back to here at 0150.
SOS.
Yo, figure it out. Internet went down. Hello? Oh. Are you back in? Let's see. What do I need? I need this. Hey, you can sign back in, Michael.
What?
You can get back in. Yeah. But you're
Oh,
on
no,
you're on Discord.
everything went down, man.
Yeah.
Everything went down.
Okay.
Okay. I'll sign back in.
Come on. This has been excruciating the last hour, I think. That's why everybody signed off. There you go.
You hear me?
Yep. The internet just went down, huh?
Oh, just, yeah, just to me, maybe it's the weather because we've got a lot of rain coming this side.
Yep. Huh.
Good thing I wasn't in trade. I probably would have exploded.
Come on. It's just the agony. It's just so slow. All right, got to watch out for this candle here because this is a potential reversal candle, that 5 minute, or continuation. So I just don't know which one. Hopefully continuation. If we drop back below here, right here, there's not going to be so much continuation. I'm going to get out. Maybe it faked me. Try to save some money. Honey?
It's a crappy time of the day to be trading too.
Yeah, no, that's what I mentioned.
Yeah.
Like, come on now. Bad time. Gonna get taken out. Please take me out of my misery. All right, nice little continuation to the downside potentially now. There you go. Maybe it'll ramp up. Maybe we can get some, maybe we can get some movements. See, my copy trader's not acting right. Replicanto. I'm beginning to not like it. I mean, because that should have just closed it out instead of it takes, gives me a long. It's like, what the hell?
Yeah, I don't know. The universe is against us. Okay.
Yeah, at least for the time being.
I don't log into stuff in
All right. I should have taken that long there at the 204. That was my number at 204. That's where I took my other short. All right, we just hit VWAP. Let's see if we can break VWAP. It's just messy. Messy, messy.
Yeah.
All right, let's I just don't want to take one in the middle of 5 minute. I mean, I would like to be right here if anything. Wrong way. Well, that didn't help much. Blown that one. All right, so I passed one and I've blown one.
What would the day be without a blown account?
What would it be? All right. For the stream. Because otherwise I wouldn't be trading. Just a crappy time to be trading.
Yeah.
This is not when you want. But here you go. I'm going to take, what number is that? I probably don't want that many. Oh, there you go. All right, let's see what happens here.
What you got?
I don't know. I'm thinking, yeah. You got to be thinking short. If the only reason why I'm thinking that is just because we came up above this trend line, failed it. Now we're coming back into it. You know, normally I would say this would be a long on this candle, but we all know how that plays out. It usually means we're going to go back down and retest it.
Yeah, I'm probably loading.
So I'll just hold on for a few minutes here. We got a brand new 5-minute candle, so let me get rid of Fibonacci's. We've already hit the 78.6 down here. So 5 minutes. Let's check the 15 real quick. I think it probably looks pretty ugly.
Can't even log in to take a trade.
All right, so we did cross above this little trend line down. Opened up on the other side. That could have just been a little. Let's take the shorts. Let's get everybody take out some stops and things like that. Down here at VWAP. Let's see. So on the 15-minute chart, from the open today, we didn't quite hit the 78.6. On the 5-minute we did. So there's your long. I'm still thinking long here. Let's give that a whack. Okay. I did go long. Not on the right chart here. Okay, in this account, I'm up 900, so I don't know if I'm going to give too much room on this guy. I might take one off just to reduce my risk load. Come on, baby, get on up. See if we can make a little move up. Must be getting some volume coming in, because my older computer's going crazy on the fan speed. And it usually does that when there's a large volume. I'm not sure what's going on.
Yeah, I can't even tell you because I can't even log in.
Damn it.
It's probably a good thing.
Yeah, there's nothing really going on here. I'm going to take this one off.
I am going to take a all or nothing trade at some point today. But I need to log in first. I need to get back in. NVIDIA.
What's NVIDIA doing?
Going up above its bear zone now, so not doing anything crazy. It's a green candle now. A little bounce.
All right, this is the 15-minute line right here, trend line. I'd like to stay above that if we could. What is today? Oh.
Ridiculous.
26. Come on, Tesla, I need you to come on down. Okay, thanks for the subscribing. I was wondering what that little noise was.
Oh.
Come on, baby, let's go. You know, it's been pretty much the whole thing with this whole thing is no follow through.
Yeah, none. Zip.
Yeah.
It's been like that the last since it's Monday, Tuesday, and today.
Yeah. Again, I'll take this 10-point stop. I'm not. That'll drop me down to about plus 700. Hey, you sucker fish.
All I've got to do is log in.
Huh?
You just can't even log in.
Yeah. Oh, with TraderVate?
Even then, I mean, I got the things that I don't care about as much
Yeah.
to log into, but the things that I can log into TraderVate and to Task.
All right, so we're watching for a potential short below here. I mean, I can't take any trades right now. This is too ugly. Save my money. Save your money. Something below 196. We're kind of holding this area. I can't even get a real box area in here either.
We are just in the middle of the initial balance, you know, we're right at 50%. So that's not as much.
I mean, that would have to be my box, just taking the bodies. And I'd say, well, if we close below this box or above this box, I could go long or short. Otherwise, I can't. It's hard to justify. Let's see, NVIDIA. Yeah, we're kind of just flagging a little bit. NASDAQ, oof, just ugly. This is an ugly chart. Oops. Okay. Well, maybe this was a reversal candle right here.
Above the 1 minute, back below.
Yeah. So now we're going to have to get below VWAP here. Could take a 1 minute close below VWAP. We are back below the 15-minute trend line. Just an ugly day. Ruben said NQ could go down? Question mark. There are divergence with DJ. Yeah, I don't even know what. Where's YM? Oh yeah, YM's down 280.
Yeah.
Good call. Yep. ES is down 10.
Yeah, it's all the Dow, but let's see what's. You know why? Because I think some of these oil stocks.
Oil?
Yeah, because I think with the hurricane and stuff, they're closing some of the refineries in the weather.
Yeah, but wouldn't oil then go up? Because oil's down $1.80.
Yeah.
Down to 69.69.
Well, it would be, I guess, if there was damage and they couldn't pump and they couldn't do it, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the precaution of it is just more. But I don't know. I mean, I'm
yeah.
Goldman Sachs down 550. I'm sure that's part of it.
Yep.
JP Morgan down 2. Apple down $1.60. UNH flat. Yeah.
And we're just freaking just sitting here. Not much movement.
That's right. Can't take a trade anymore. So.
Come on now.
There's no way to trade. I mean, how hard is it to plug in there? It's just ridiculous.
What was it? 160 was my initial target.
Yeah.
50% of that wick. All right, there's a 1 minute push below. Let's see if we can get a close. Problem is we're going into a 5 minute gap from 150 to 181. Buy gap. Fair value gap.
150. Yes, I see it.
You see it? Yep. All right, let's go to a 5 minute. Oh, I'm on a 5 minute.
Well, I'm going to be so annoyed if I can't log in right. I miss this move down. If we get the move down.
Yeah, the thing is that 150's been punctured. So basically, here's the 150, right? So it's basically from this guy here down to here, right? And what was that? The third 5 minute candle came down and pierced him, which weakened it quite a bit.
Yeah.
So if we come down through this, I would expect we would come all the way down, and my target then would have to be down here. 113.
113, yeah.
It's either 113 or we're going to hit the midnight open trade here and bounce here.
128, yeah.
I mean, so there's a number of targets that we could pick. If you did go short, here, I would say this would be my number one. I'd go with, let me see, where's my thing? Here you go. Target 1. Oops.
Yeah.
There's target 1. There's target 2. Here's also, actually, it might be something like this. This is where you'd have to look for bounces. Target 1 here at 160, that's 50% of this wick. Then you got CPR, top control right here at 151. You got your pivot down here at 118, and then you have your midnight opening trade at 128. Any one of those could give you a bounce.
Well,
so we are closed. We did close below VWAP.
these
And I was talking and I didn't get into anything.
Oh man. Up, look at the 1 minute. Up, above and below.
Yeah. Yeah, really. I mean, those were good places to go short right in here. I don't think I'm going to get in there either.
I've got to just wait. I can't do anything anyway. So.
Yep. Could be patient.
Not sure why this is. I don't know why I can't log in. It's like, maybe because of the internet. I don't know.
Come on, baby. Move back up and get to VWAP. Okay, I can deal with that. Yep. Was it Raven or Ravine? I was thinking of the guy's name. It's either
Which guy?
Raven or Ravine. I've got chat. All right, so potentially, see if I can get it. Yep. Take a short here. Why did you do that? Oh, went the wrong way, that's why. Second time I've done that today.
How many seconds is that video behind? I mean, the YouTube.
I'll just go to the end real quick.
That'd be
About 4 seconds. Not very long indeed. Okay, if we come back through VWAP, I'll take the short. Let's see. Obviously, if we get back above 200, then we're probably going to go long. How much time's left? 2 minutes. Still got a long time. I'll try this short right here. If we get back below 193. Oh, there we go. Coming back up to the 1 minute. Well, if we can get above 200. Sometimes you just gotta be patient. Yeah. Like we might be going long. probably wouldn't be a bad long. I mean, look at you got pretty much identical candles. As long as this thing can close up here. 25 seconds will tell. If I do get taken at 192, I will bring my stop down pretty quickly. Four seconds. Just take 5 points, $200 loss. Come on, baby, come on down. Nope. You can always recover from small losses. It's hard to recover from big losses.
That is the truth.
All right, now my short's going to be below VWAP again. Dang you. All right, if I lose this trade, then I'm probably going to call it. So come on, baby, get on down there.
You are like YouTube.
Come on.
No wonder.
What?
Oh God. That's why I asked you how far behind you were.
Why?
Because I lost internet. So when it came back up,
Oh.
I've been watching what's going on your chart. I couldn't understand why your cameras were so different. You're like 10 minutes behind.
Got it.
Good girl. When you said 4 seconds, I'm like, there's no way this is 4 seconds.
Yeah.
Well, now that is, but I was 10 minutes back.
Yeah, most YouTubers are like 30 to 40 seconds behind from live trading.
Yeah, that was my bad.
Come on, let's stay below VWAP. Shit. Give me just a little follow through.
It's very hard just to get 10 points now.
Yeah.
Maybe it's come back down a bit. Maybe I can help.
Come on. Still looking for 160. Let's put that guy at 160. How about 163? What's yes doing? There we go. All right, still got the divergence. Well, ES is starting to come down. YM is down still 289, 290. NQ's up 17, 19. ES is down 12 and coming down more.
There you go.
Might get a move now. Fuck. I want to go into protect mode, man. I'm getting so whiplashed.
Yeah, I can't log in. It's pissing me off. Missing all these great trades.
Yeah. Well, this one might turn out to be a great trade. We'll see.
No, correct.
But all the other ones have been there's been a lot of crap. I've had a few good ones today.
Yes, the one that I really want, if it does get there, is the one you missed out.
I mean, like this one here. I gotta almost protect myself just because shit. We could go back up to break even easily. Come on, baby. Drop down. Give me 160. All right, got my trade of 8 going. Got a short going there. I just clicked in at 176. And he's out. Boom! Beautiful. Beautiful. How was that? That was superb.
Save me.
All right, so we came all the way through this box, this 5-minute gap again. What's this? I don't know what that is, but that's all right.
Oh, look at that bounce.
Yep.
Thank goodness I couldn't log in.
Yeah. All right, so there's was the bounce levels. Let's get a little, well, you know what we got to get. Let's see if we can get any of this. Nicely done. All right, so that kicked me up to about 1895, 1,895 on that eval. So I got one at 3,007 or 53,017, 51.8, and I crashed one today. So there you go. Not bad. Good play. Took that right under VWAP. It was a good play. Okay. Tell you what, it's still probably going to take me probably, well, some more times on doing this streaming crap. You know what I mean? To get comfortable.
Yeah. There's a 40-point wick for you.
Yep. I'm not sure why either. I don't know that bounce point. Oh, there you go.
There you
Top
go.
control. Yep.
And bottom of the ID. To the tick, almost.
Oh, yeah.
138.
Yep. 138. Where was that? 138. Oh, that's from this guy right there.
ID low.
Yep. First 15-minute candle. There you go. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't have anything set up there to take a short at that point. All right, still got a minute left. So a lot of times on these 5-minute candles, this is what I like to see. You get the big move down, and then you get the big wick up. So a lot of times I'll take the short after 1 minute. So we're right at the 1 minute mark. I might take a little chance here.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
Bring him
Come
up.
on.
See if I can get any. See if he'll come back down. If not, no harm, no foul. I'll get him out. I'll try to get out. Just with one contract here. I'll move my stop down as quick as possible. Try not to take 200, maybe take 100 or something. Let's see. That would be at an entry of 70, 79. Oh, I'm going to take 10 points no matter what. 12 seconds. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Normally I would get out by then. So I'm going to move this stop way up. Actually, let's see what happens here. There we go. All right, could have picked up maybe 100, missed it. I'll just let this guy float on down and see if he'll float down. Maybe we can get a retest of right here, top control, 151. So see if we can get 18 points or something. Let's see, that bottom is 172. Yeah, we could go up a little bit higher. I don't know if I want to give up 5. Should have took the 100. Come on, move back down. Let's go. There we go. Give me 165. There's good. Okay, I'll take that. Basically, it's a low-risk play now. If I get taken out, big deal. Okay. Now, if we come back down, I'll be in the trade. We are in this 5-minute gap still. It didn't close out. We got to close a 5-minute below. So there might be buyers here. So instead of watching for the short, I also need to be watching for the long. Should I take that? Yeah. Push it, baby. Come on.
Geese are going south.
Huh?
The geese are flying over. They're going south.
Nice. Yep. All right, came back up and hit VWAP. Might get stuck there. All right, no harm, no foul.
Yeah, we haven't even come down to the London class. To the back.
Oh, no wonder. I'm frozen. Oh, I was just wondering why it looked like there was a trade going on. And my YouTube was stopped. All right, now I'm waiting again. See what happens. Came up and hit VWAP, rejected. NVIDIA drop VWAP. How much time left? 37 seconds. There's that. We can get rid of that. I'll still keep him down there. I still like that. The short and the long of it. There's the short. And there's the long. Come on, let's get a continuation down. I think 133 would be the smart play. Come on, let's go. Oh, sucker fish. Got taken out of my trade of 8 play. Short. See if we can get a move down. Come on, let's drop 157.
I don't know. Mute.
Huh?
I don't know. For some reason, my phone is on mute. I don't know.
Let's go. 157. Let's drop it. Drop it like it's hot. And cruise on down to 140. Actually, 140 might not be a bad play. Come on. You know, the next first target would be freaking 151. 151. You got to look for a bounce there, but we've already hit it just here recently. So maybe we can... Oh, you took me out. Sucker fish. Taking me out there too.
Fed repo.
Bastard. Now where are we at? We got 134 left on this 5 minute. See, you got ES. Yeah, ES put a big old wick in also. YM still down to 290. Kind of flatlining it there. Might see a reverse. $15-minute potential reverse. So the 15-minute candle, if we get above 189, right, I would look for a long.
I don't know, man.
I got 10 minutes left on this 15, so they can play a lot of games up and down. So here's the 15. Oops.
Oh, heck.
I'm going to get rid of this. You know, get back above VWAP. That would be the play.
We have a nice channel that we formed on the way down.
Yeah.
So, I mean, a move back up to 91, 92.
Yeah.
I mean, it could be an entry for short, but
yeah, I mean, look what we did. We, you know, from the low, the 940, 930 candle, 945 candle, my minus 945.
yeah.
You know, what did we do? We took it out by just like a point or something, right? 2 points.
Yeah.
So took out liquidity there. Now let's see if we bounce up. No? You don't like that? That thinking? Michael?
Huh?
You don't like that thinking?
No, nothing wrong with thinking.
Yeah.
Just if I'm just looking at like what we've done and
You're looking at that channel?
the channel, I would say I'm more inclined to take a short there. But I mean, I can't say anything because I can't even take the trade that gets there. I'm just trying to can't understand why I locked out. So weird.
Well, still got 8 minutes left. Let's go back to a 5.
Today's like opposite day, you know? If you think about it, like usually it takes us 4 hours to go straight up, and then you reverse the move in 110, you know?
Yeah.
Today we went up in like 5 minutes, and it's taken us 3 hours to come down. So the short's been tough, man. That's the channel. 15.
Damn it, why didn't I study Patrick program a little more?
What, lines and boxes?
Damn it. Lines and boxes, all we need.
I do know.
Yeah, I don't even know why he keeps his chat on.
Is he on all day?
No, I don't think he's on now. But I was watching the last couple of days and going in his, you know, just his chat. I mean, there's so many crazy people in there. I couldn't take it. I texted him, you know, on his thing and said, "Hey, turn your chat off, dude. It's more distracting than anything."
Yeah, you couldn't follow us.
No. No. It's just crazy. All right. Still up 1645 in this account. Just not much happening. We're still below VWAP. Whoa. Take the long?
Did I take the long?
No, I said, should I take the long?
Where, from here? Or,
Yep.
Or break
From right here. Right here, right now. Oh, you got to be quick. I'm already down 5 points. Huh? Yay? Nay?
I don't know. Like, inside of this channel, Nvidia's moving up a bit, so that can help you, but inside of this channel, I don't know. I think it's a 50-50, probably, it's more like probably a 45-55 against you. Just because you're going against the trend.
Yeah.
I think if we can get a move up, go outside of the channel and then come back and retest it, that might be the long that I think in here you're going to probably get whipped around a bit.
The only thing I got to watch out for now is to try to get over VWAP.
Yeah.
Let me go to a 5-minute chart. I like 5 minutes better. Chia. All right, here we go. We got a little trend line also. Yeah, we got to stay back. Can't take a long at a trend line. When are you going to take a long?
It's a good point, yeah. Yeah, you do have that trend line working for you. Yep.
You know, I just wanted to take it on my trade of 8 and I didn't get it in time. I'm only up $25 on my eval and $125 on my profit or my pro trader account. I need to get up above VWAP. Problem is I got VWAP. I might have to, I should have went to break even. I actually should have even just taken profit there, little as it was. You got VWAP and the 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's going to be a tough challenge to get through that. It's either we just blow through it or we're not going to be able to go through it.
You do get through it, yeah. You could get nice rocket.
Yeah. Maybe a nice boner candle. That would be good.
I concur with you on that.
Oh, there we go. All right, up 10 points.
See? Don't listen to me.
Take profit?
You're coming up to the top of that channel.
Yeah, I'll just take 4 or 5 points, 4 points. See if we push up through. Actually, I'm going to give a little bit more. I just won't lose money. How's that?
Huh?
I just won't lose money.
Now that's the key.
You mean we're supposed to try to make money?
I'm just, I mean, right now I'm making a fortune because of a contract. Synthetically, I'm making a ton of money. Nice rejection there.
Yeah.
Wick,
Yeah.
wickle doodle do.
Come on, baby. Get on up there. Let's give us some cheddar. We need some cheddar. Infamous words of another YouTuber. Don't do me dirty. Oh, man. Like that.
See? Look at that, man. That 1 minute set.
Yeah. Nope.
Not today.
Today.
Also
not
Dow. Look at the Dow's down
through.
333 wire. So.
All right. See, this is why my Replicano, right? It's still in the trade. What the hell?
There's a lot of mysterious things going on there.
Mysterious.
I can't log in. You have problems with Replicano.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Bust up above VWAP. I'll take VWAP. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
Look at that. Look at that. Right to the top of that channel. It's testing it.
It's going to push through it.
Yeah, one of these. One, two. As you get third and
maybe
fourth
not.
attempt, it starts to get like it's going to go.
All right. I really don't want to lose money. Come on, baby.
And short area.
All right. I got to get my trader rigs going.
There you go. Try push.
Should I just go long there too? Right at VWAP? I'll give it a shot. Oh, bad time to give it a shot.
Sometimes, it likes to do an overshoot like this. An overshoot,
Yeah.
of the channel
Yeah.
and a breakout on the other side below.
Below?
Yeah, I'm not saying it's going to happen now because the price action is crappy. But you see these channels, you get like an overshoot, we go above it, and then we go right through the bottom of it. But this price action doesn't, it's in a normal price, in a normal market. Right now, it's no liquidity, it's just garbage. But you never know. Because that would be in the direction of the trend.
Yeah, I'm thinking about taking a. I was just thinking about taking a long right here. Right in here. 173.
Yeah, it's a channel. Yeah, we've got that line, right? So it's not a bad. It's opposite there.
Two minutes left. What to do? What to do? Would have been a good one.
Well, I don't understand what the f*** is going on.
Just need to push up.
Everything's doing me dirty now, man.
Oh, shit. That was a good one. There's that short, haven't it? I caught a little bit of it.
Oh man.
See if I can catch one right there.
That's really annoying.
Well, we're below the 1 minute again. It would have been another great entry, 185. How many times I said that today? How many times you said it?
And that time it was perfect because it
Yeah.
was coincided with the top of the channel.
Yep.
Like, so that rejection.
Yeah. And playing VWAP and the 1 minute weighted moving average would have been a great play.
Think about like the psychology of that. You know, you think about the breakout to the long.
Yep.
Those longs trying to get the breakout above that trend line. You know, they turn into sellers, and I think you get that kind of a flush.
Mm-hmm.
So, but there's no follow through, man. Look at that, just stops. Four was a nice trade. It could have caught 86. Still could have potentially caught like 30 points there.
Right. All right, we got a 1 minute gap up to 75.
Mm.
40. Oh, yeah. We could get there. All right, there's 175 push. All right, I'm done. Time to go. That's all I got today. Wasn't a great day. Wasn't a bad day. Passed one, lost one, and I'm right in the middle of another. I got Take Profit Trader up 125 on my pro account. Now down 100 on my eval, which is fine. I'm at 49.6. So I'll probably make some of that up again today. All right, we'll do it again tomorrow.
Okay, man.
All right, ciao. Thanks for everybody for being here.
Okay, ciao.